As a result of commercial operations, we're living through an unprecedented period of environmental change. Each year, industry moves more resources than the oceans and rivers combined. Global temperatures are rising. Ice sheets and glaciers melt more each year and refreeze less. The oceans and their inhabitants are filling up with discarded plastic. Meanwhile, on shore, landfills are overflowing, poisoning land and rivers alike. Deforestation disrupts the ecology reliant on the forest and diminishes the planet's ability to filter carbon out of the atmosphere. Poor commercial waste disposal practices contributes to declining human health, the decimation of animal life, and the destabilization of the natural ecosystems that sustain our world. Less than half of European businesses are happy with the amounts they recycle, but the majority plan to increase focus on recycling in the next few years. If we don't act now, there will come a time, soon, when the damage is irreversible. What can we do? Research shows that recycling is the third most important issue for European businesses, and the majority plan to increase spending over the next 12 months. Is your business recycling effectively? Could it be doing more? Act now. Go to loverecycling.com. Let's do this together.